Hey there! Here we came up with a new video on AI, on a trend that AI is everything. It's the new beginning of the tech world. Haters gonna hate these AIs, but let us see how can we benefited with this AI. We have unlocked the secret AI available that are completely free to use for everyone, and it is going to change the way of your work without any delay. Let's get started. The first AI tool we are going to see is Dream by OVO. This is a AI tool which converts text to images. First a link from the surfing, we can see the Dream by OVO, the official AI link. Without getting signing up or creating a new account, we can directly start prompting to create a new images. Here I am prompting an image for a person holding a flower. Now you can see that you can get the image that a person is holding a flower as a portrait. This because it's an anime character, right? Now this is generated only because of Midjourney. Like if we create an horror images, it will be creating a new image with an horror face or something like differently. The generated image is looking somewhat dark and horror. So I selected the horror variation so I can see the horror type images. And there are a lot more variations in premium version. But in completely free version, we have many other variations like pandas and that octavy, gloomy. There are many more. Using these itself, we can create a huge number of images and we can develop royal free images without any copyright issues. And the secret tip for the viewers is, here we can create a huge number of images and these images can be uploaded in Excels or SlideShare and can be used in PowerPoints without any copyright issues or a revolutionary storybooks, and these can be merged with ChatGPT or any other AI tools for writing a conceptual story. These books can be uploaded in Amazon Kindle books for selling, and it is a big revenue generation idea. For a passive income, the only thing you need is time and dedication for the value you invest. The next AI tool we are going to see is chat.forfriendchat.ai. This is similar to ChatGPT 3, and here we will be using ChatGPT 4 as a subdivision for chatting through this AI. Here we can select different types of personas without even logging in. We can start the trial version and explore these personas examples. This will be greater fun for the users who use ChatGPT 3 because speaking with different types of personas will feel like actually we are speaking to the real type of person. As I will be selecting a finalist person, you can explore this with Pikachu and any other example like dragons, etc. Here I will be selecting the finalist and he will be explaining us how to start a company, like as same as the finalist analyst person. He will be explaining in that the model has been trained to speak with the users. That means the natural language processing is being applied here, where the person will be assumed as an analyst and he will be explaining us how to analyze the data, how to analyze the financial company, like that. The output is very super funny as compared to ChatGPT 3, and it can be used for, if you want a content based queries, we can choose the perfect personas and we can analyze the content more deeper. This will be a good AI for entertainment purpose and also to learn more about the content of the persona. That means if the persona has been used, then it will be speaking to us on that dependent basis. So we will be more keen on our topic and the topic won't be diverted on any other subtopics. At last, this tool can be used to learn about new things or new information in a funny way or learning from a real person. Next, we are going to see a transcription AI, water.ai. In this AI will be used for transcribing the songs or transcribing the audio of real meetings or any other events. Now we know that in YouTube, Teams, Zoom calls, everywhere we are using the captions. These captions may be auto-generated or manually typed. In this Water AI, we will be inserting a music file or an audio file which happened in a live events. I have a demo file, I will be uploading it and let us see what's happening here. These captions will be used to set up the description for the YouTube videos, or it will be tagging the post POS tagging. That means the part of speech tagging will be happening here. These POS tags will help the search engines and the search algorithms to find the content faster and better. File is being uploaded now. After the file has been uploaded, we will get the transcripted script. And the next secret tip we will be seeing here is we can use this transcription tool to transcribe the audio files and submit it for the Go Transcript or Transcript Faster, any other websites, to earn a passive income. Next we will be seeing the watermark AI. This watermark AI is used to remove the watermarks in the photos which has been edited or which has been downloaded. Even which is being shared also can be used here. And in this watermark AI, we just within a click after uploading the photo, we can just remove any type of watermarks can be used. For an example, I will be using an image called with watermarks. I will be searching for it and I will just show an example. Here I am selecting this image. You can see that this image, the watermark is tight and bold. I would like to save this image and I need to use this as a wallpaper. So I will be using this image and removing this digital trends as an watermark remover through this AI. I will remove the watermark here. If you want to remove the icon, we can also remove the icon. If you want to remove completely, we can remove it now. After setting up, you can just add this watermark AI in the home screen and just within a click we can completely remove the watermarks in the photos and convert it to the any JPG or PNG, whatever we want here itself. This tool will be helpful for us when a friend sends us some images of our private photos, like the shot on OnePlus, shot on Redmi Note 5, like this. These watermarks can be also removed from this and it can be uploaded in your Instagram or Twitters. If you have not subscribed to our channel, subscribe now. The next AI we are going to see is shortly.ai. This is an AI to write the articles or the stories, and it is very helpful for the students to write a lot more assignments, and it will help them to clear all their assignments in a single day or within an hour. And the most important thing is this tool is completely free for everyone, and just we need to create a new account for the Shortly AI. This tool will be very helpful to write long assignments or long stories, and they can also write a creative way of writing from this shortly.ai. Using this AI, we can also write essays and leave letters and application letters.
Wait for it.
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 Wait for it. Wait for it. Keep waiting.
Wait for it.
I have completed the verification part. Here you can select the title, and I will be writing this title with a story background. That means the story I will be starting with a person in a hungry, he went for hunting, something I will be writing here, and the other part will be continued by this AI. And we can select the range of this AI from smaller or medium or a long story we want to write. We can adjust the variations from that. Here it starts writing, but it looks smaller because our background story is just small and it's not clear. When we give a very clear information for it, it will be writing us for a very big story, and it helps us to develop a more good and creative way of thinking. And the next secret tip we will be seeing here is write some articles using this AI and copy paste it and upload it anywhere like Article Insider or any other Quora websites for answering the questions. This might build up a community, and it gives us a good idea to respond the people, and writing skills will be developed well. In this video we saw the top 5 AIs which I recommended to use by the users to learn more and for fun purpose. And the best AI I use to explore is Firefly. It's an Adobe company's AI. This AI also uses the text prompts to images, and here we can also create the new images like Dream by Woohoo. But this is still in the beta version and still not available for public use. and we can also get this availability by creating an account in Adobe and applying for the beta versions. After this, we can also use this AI publicly, where Google Bard is also getting collaborated with this Adobe AI. Using this AI, we can create a lot more images. Just let us see a single example here. Uploading a SVG file, that means we can also create a SVG vector file, and we can remake that vector file with tons of colors and beautify the SVG files with new technologies. Like I will be using now the nature. The nature means it will be having greenery, green color, or we can also see somewhat light brown colors and light green, dark green, lightish gold. These colors can be used, right? Now you can see that nature tone. That means the natural tone should be applied on this image. After generation, we could see that the dark green, light green, and the lightish yellow color. That means the grass, when the grass has been paled, means we can see the yellow color. Next, let us see an example with text generation. In text generation, we can also create a word art like we will be using in PowerPoint, right? Like that, we can also create any type of words. These words can be completely customized by our as what we want to look like. Now I am using this Firefly because the Firefly is an AI. We can also change the name of this Firefly to any other thing. Let me text a prompt that the red blade should be dripping on the green carousel. That means green color is a background for our font, and the red color blood should be on the top of the font size. And we can also change the fonts and the color text and everything. We can be customized as such we want. With a single prompt, we can also generate the complete image without any customization. That's it for the today's video. If you like the video, subscribe the channel and share it with your other friends, and hit the bell button for the new videos. Mention in comments if you see any other AI tools. Let me learn from you guys.